Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how to make a delicious Paneer Kheer. It's a very nice dessert and it's so easy to make. Let's get started. In a pan, add half liter of milk. Let it come to boil. When the milk starts to boil, reduce the heat to medium, mix it and let it remain for at least 3-4 minutes. It's been 3-4 minutes now and the milk has thickened a little bit. At this stage, let's add sugar. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. However, you can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste level. After adding sugar, mix well and allow it to dissolve completely. Now I'm going to add a pinch of saffron. It gives a very nice flavor and a beautiful golden color to the dessert. However, it's optional. You can avoid if you don't want to. After adding saffron, I've left it for a minute and then time to add some chopped nuts. You can use any nuts that you have, but I'm going to add a tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts and a little bit of chopped almonds and a little bit of chopped pistachios. After adding the nuts, give it a mix and let it remain in the medium flame for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of paneer. I've used homemade paneer, so I've just curdled milk and then filtered it and I'm adding it directly after washing it a couple of times. However, if you're using store-bought paneer, you can use a grater and grate it and add it to the milk. After adding it, you have to keep it for at least 4 minutes and then finally I'm going to add little cardamom powder, around 1/4 teaspoon, and then give it a mix. Now you can turn off the heat. This kheer can be served hot or else you can allow it to cool down completely and then refrigerate it for a couple of hours and it can be served chilled as well. Both the way it tastes is really good. So that's all. Such a delicious and very simple Paneer Kheer is now ready. Do give it a try at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.